guys! Welcome to another vlog, and I think maraming salamat dun sa nanonood ng my travel accessories, parang what I travel with, or parang my best travel accessories. And a lot of you have been commenting na parang, Jax, pwede naman ba yung ano yung dinadala mo? Like parang ano ba yung hand carry items mo? So for today, I'll share it, and I want to go over some of, and may nag-ask rin sa inyo na parang, Jax, i-share mo naman yung mga porter bags mo. Sabi ko, ay, okay, sige. Sabi ko, sure, why not? What I'll go through today will be more of the more packing light na travel bags ko, which is like, hindi siya yung stroller. Diba? I've shared it naman there. What I'll do is like, tipong pakita ko sa yung mga backpacks that I have traveled with, pros and cons niya. And then if ever some of the bags that I've traveled with, katulad maybe it's just like as simple as a tote. So I want to share it with you, and I want to start it off with the pinaka-importante ko, yung lagi ko sinasabi. And I want to also give some recommendations here na meron tayong yung mid at saka meron tayong high. Now, I've ordered some also items over on Lazada. I will also share with you some of the things that I found over online na mas affordable options din. Now, I've been sharing with you, and lot kayo nag-ask about the porter bags that I have. Now, the porter bag is made in Japan, so it's by Yoshida Company tawag dyan. And you usually see it with a standalone store porter. Dati, to be honest guys, mas affordable yung presyo niya. And then in the recent years, I think syempre, they wanted to improve on, I don't know, baka they wanted to improve revenue nila. So lahat dati, sa mga Tokyo Hands, you can find it there. May discount pa yon. Tapos slowly, tinanggal na nila. So parang linagay na nila lahat siya sa Porter X. Itong yung typical nylon bag na to. Ito yung gusto ko kasi. Parang siyang nylon, parang siyang ala Prada, medyo water resistant. But now, yung nakikita mo sa Tokyo Hands, yung mas murang Porter na dati kasing presyo niya, now ano siya, mas manipis na yung fabric, iba na yung materials na ginagamit nila. So that's why sabi ko nga, if your budget permits, go. Maganda naman talaga siya. I travel with it for like years, and even up until now, ito pa rin talaga yung binabalik-balikan ko. But every time I go to Japan, dati kung kaya ko bilhan sarili ko ng isa, now napapaisip talaga ako. And parang this year, I keep on going back, diba? Sabi ko, ay parang ang mahal niya, parang hindi ko mabite the bullet to buy one. So anyways, just sharing with you, this one is my old Porter one, na parang sling siya. This is bigger. Kasi guys, pakita ko sa iyo why I love it also, ha? Diba, if you're going to open this Porter, oh guys, diba, meron siyang pockets here, and then dito meron siyang separate zip pocket where you can put your cash. Diba, parang very safe siya. So pag nakasling siya, pwede mo siyang buksan ganyan. And then, on the back side of it naman, mas malaki yung compartment mo, tapos meron ka pang zip pocket here. So this one, ang kagandahan dito kasi, if I used to travel with this, yung sobrang laki kong power bank, guys, yung anchor ko na sobrang laki, kasyang-kasya dito. So yung anchor, diba, for example, sobrang laki nito, pati payong kong maliit, kasyang-kasya siya. O diba, walang problema. Diba? So, ang dami pang space sa loob. So, yun talaga siya. But if, for example, ito yung pang day ko pag lumalabas ako. But I also got one in a smaller version yan. If you're going to compare, almost the same size siya pero mas punggok yung isa tapos mas manipis to. Ito naman, usually, ito yung lagi ko nilalagay sa loob na ng bag ko. Kasi, guys, ito yung parang pagdating ko sa airplane, depending on what seat you are, diba? Ito yung pwede ko isling sa shoulder ko, and I can go to the restroom with it. So, this one is the smaller one. But, syempre, itong power bank na ganito kalaki, pag linagay ko dito, medyo ubus ka agad yung space niya. Nawala yung kalahati niyan because syempre malaki yung power bank ko. Okay, so here, this is the Porter one. But I've seen so many sa Lazada rin that I can share here. May nakita ko yung mga Lululemon. Alam ko yung maganda yun kasi maliit lang siya. Pero, yung hindi ko lang sure kasi definitely if, di ba, totoo yung makikita natin online. So, baka kasi mukhang maganda siya sa pictures, pero baka sabihin nyo, hala, baka hindi siya official Lululemon store. Yun nga lang. I've also seen some katulad ng Bag Smart. Nakita ko yung Bag Smart, not bad naman. It's just that, alam mo yung parang mas gusto ko yung logo sobrang liit. Kasi ayoko yung sobrang laki ng logo. Nalalakayan lang ako logo sa kanya. Yun siya. But, di ba, less than 1,000 pesos siya. It's a really good item. But, one thing else, if ever, di ba, meron kang mga pouches naman, guys. For example, ito, you can travel with a pouch rin. Ito kasi, guys, nabili ko to when I was traveling in a museum sa Australia. So, bumili na ako po. Pwede ka mag-pouch or pwede ka mag-bag. It really depends on you. Kaya papakita ko sa inyo yung dalawa. Okay, so, let us begin with the travel pouch muna. So, ito, guys, I'll share what I usually put inside. Yung importante, because ito yung tipong you always keep with you, di ba? The most important valuables mo. Kung nasa taas or overhead yung hand carry mo, you will have this beside you. And what you usually do, put it beside you or ligay mo sa likod mo, di ba? Para, pwede mo mailagay sa ilalim ng seat, di ba? In front of you if ever. So, what is inside here? first things first, definitely, ang importante ko will be my wallet, di ba? The wallet is very important, laging yan beside you. So, your cards are here, importante yan. And if ever yung cash mo, nandito rin siya dapat, di ba? Yung mga cash mo, wallets mo, basta ito. Now, next things next, what I also have is, importante kasi usually if you ride your planes, meron namang mga USB port siya. So, I will still have 2 USB port, kaya pag nakita nyo, di ba, may dalawa pa siya. Meron akong isang USB-P cable na USB-C to USB-C. Diba? But I also have one which is USB-A and then to USB-C. Kasi some of your older planes, baka hindi siya USB-C. So that's why I always say, dala ka ng dalawa. Now, if you see na previous video, ito po yung sinasabi kong data blocker. Ito siya. If you see it. Yan. Basta ito yung data blocker. So, what you do here is ipa-plug mo yung USB cord mo and then ipa-plug mo siya dun sa USB port. If ever walang saksakan, di ba? Walang outlet. So, this one blocks all of the data para hindi manakaw yung mga information mo doon sa phone mo. So, this is the data blocker. So, yun yung una, mga USB cables. Next things next is, okay, I have one smaller na power brick. Diba? Now, why? Okay, dati kasi, I have this, the 100 watts. May some airplanes, specifically sa Cathay Pacific, pag tipong magsasaksak ka guys, pag masyadong mataas yung power voltage nito, hindi gumagana. Parang nag-oversurge yung outlet nila. So that's why, sabi ko, I think, dahil ilang beses ko na-try ito at lagi nagkaka-issue, I should get one that is smaller. Ito kasi parang nasa 20 watts lang. Ito kasi nasa 100. So alam ko, okay, pag hindi niya kinakaya to, at least meron ako. So this one is small. Whenever I go out, or whenever nasa ride ako ng plane, at least mas maliit. And yes naman guys, diba? Mas maganda naman to na bit-bit ko sa maliit kong bag rather than carrying one like this na sobrang laki. Pwede siya doon sa hand carry ko na maleta or sa backpack ko. So yan yung lagi nandito sa loob. And then, it's still this one, my headphones right now that I've been constantly using guys. This is the Soundcore na A30 Sleep Core. Now, guys, ito talaga, nung trinay ko na siya and sobrang ginagamit ko na siya kasi trinay ko siya na matulog rin. Guys, ang ganda niya kasi you can sleep flat to, hindi tumatama. So, meron siyang snore protection if ever nagka-travel ka with people who is snoring, di ba? It blocks that noise. And guys, in fairness, tuwang-tuwa talaga ako dito. This is the Soundcore one. Next things next is, I found this. Ito yung, alam niyo yung Airfly, yung nauuso sa mga Airfly na napakamahal. This is by Ugreen. Guys, it is a wireless transmitter. So, di ba kung nanonood tayo ng in-flight entertainment sa plane, guys, isasaksak mo lang to doon sa airplane mo. So, kung hindi ganito yung port ng airplane na yan, may kasama rin siyang adapter dito. So, here. Diba? Ito yung adapter mo, guys. And then, boogs. And then, ito na yun. Iko-connect mo na lang siya sa airplane na headphone jack. And then, guys, iko-connect mo na lang to with your personal headphones or earphones. And then, boom. Watch ka na talaga ng TV show. I tried it out. I will have that video there soon. Mapapakita ko sa inyo yan. And then, guys, in fairness, ang ganda. Even the quality, not bad. I still have my trusty old Kindle. So, this is a very, very old Kindle. Kakatapos ko lang tong book na to by Mel Robbins. It is the Let Them theory. So, it's a really good read. And then, I do have an alcohol, diba, spray. Kating ko to. Tinanggal ko lang yung brand ng kating ko kasi naubos na yon. This one is my own parang perfume. So, this is a Travalo to, parang air spray. Merong mas mura na version na ganito over at Lazada for sure. This is very expensive kasi dati kasi mas sa $20 to 1,000 pesos. Sobrang tagal ko na to. Pero kasi ang ganda niya, hindi tumutulo. Kaya yun yung importante. I got a toothbrush. Reuse po natin yan if ever you have it. And then guys, depending on you, diba, put a power bank. Yung power bank that I have currently inside will be this, yung MagSafe na power bank as well. So later, I'll share with you mga different power banks as well that I have. So yun yung inside nito, parang all the pinaka-importante mo as well. Oh, last but not least, definitely yung mga cash mo if ever you have the cash. So, mga cash ko po minsan nilalagay ko dito. This is a Muji zip. And then nakita mo, I'm going to Taiwan, so na may train tickets ako nun dyan. Guys, you also have other versions where you can use, let's say, yung mga zips na ganito, where you can put your passports, cash, lahat kasha. Depends on you kung ano man gusto nyong gawin. This one, pinagawa ko to dati, but this is all leather. But may nakita ako sa Lazada, mas mura. Oh my gosh, nasa 100 plus, 200 plus lang. And I super love it like this kasi nakikita mo lahat ng mga kailangan mo inside the pouch. And then pag kailangan mo hugutin, boosh, hugot ka agad. Ganda. So, that's it. That's the personal pouch area ko. Okay? So, guys, yun yung parang nasa pinaka-importanting private pouch. So, parang yun yung pwede kong tanggalin, isling ko sa sarili ko. Kasi right now, maraming nakawan sa airplane. You still have to be careful with your items. So, please have something like that ready para at least lagi kang ready. So, you have so many other items here na kita ko online. I'll put it all here para at least, guys, we have options. Okay. And then, guys, next things next is currently, depending on the trip that I'm going kasi, 'di ba? I would either go with a backpack or I'll go with a tote. Kung wala akong laptop, usually magto-tote na lang ako kasi mas gusto ko yung tote. But, di ba, syempre, there are challenges, there are times na pero kailangan mo talaga ng laptop mo. Pag-isipan ko kung pwede ako magmaleta na maliit, stroller, or I will go with backpack. I'll just show with you right now kung it's a typical tote bag na ganito. So, this one is still Porter. Porter po yung tote na to. But use whatever tote bags na pwede naman at meron dyan, di ba? Currently, ito yung tote bag ko. I think this is the pinaka-last na nabili kong Porter kasi ang mahal na niya. So, here naman, inside my tote bag, what I do have is number one, mints. Diba, dun sa side pocket ko. And papakita ko how it is ha. Etong pouch ko na to guys, usually, pinapasok ko siya sa loob. So pag nakita nyo, nakapasok ko siya sa loob, yung labubo na yan kasi bigay ni Jazz yan eh. So kinuha ko lang sa kanya kahit hindi ko siya letter. So nakapasok siya doon. So at least alam ko pwede ko siyang hugutin right away. And then guys, what do I have inside here as well? Now, depending on my pouch, I will also have my own toiletry kit. So yung toiletry kit ko guys, usually vitamins nandyan, vitamins ulit na may zinc. I will have wipes na kinukuha ko kung saan man meron libre. I have an extra mouthwash. Ito kinukuha ko lang rin yan. Pero guys, maganda ang mga brands na Okuchi mouthwash. Ito yung mga ganyan. Because at least kung kailangan mo mag-freshen up kaagad ng mouth mo, go, di ba? Push. And then, nandito yung hand lotion ko. Bigay ng friend ko. This is Aesop, if I'm not mistaken. Di ba? Bango, di ba? And then, bigay ulit ng friend ko. This is like your personal deo. Diba? So you also have that there. And then, yun yung pinaka-importante dyan. And then all of your medications, if ever nandito siya sa personal pouch na to. Guys, what else usually sa pouch ko? I have one more big pouch katulad nito. Yung bigger pouch na to, nandito yung other items na kailangan. For example, I have a bigger power brick. Nandito po yung 140 watts ko. This is still Anker one. Kasi this can power your laptop. So I have one here. Then extra cables, diba? For powering up the laptop. And then importante sa akin is definitely having your own parang travel adapter. Kasi some countries, kailangan mo, mahirap na at ayaw mong bumili ka pa. So ito yung meron ako isa pang ganyan. So, here naman, guys, what I wanna share here is, etong pouch na to is more of like tech pouch ko siya. So, for example, kung meron akong microphone, ipapasok ko yung microphone ko dito. Kung ipapasok ko yung mga batteries ko, dito ko siya ilalagay. It's just your tech pouch para at least madaling mahugot. When it comes to security, kailangan nila i-check yung battery, kaya kong hugutin siya right away. So, it's a separate pouch here as well. And then, guys, parang ganito yung itsura niyan. Diba? Yun yung mga nasa loob ng bag ko. So, everything that you need, nandiyan sa isang pouch yan. This is typically light traveling, di ba? Parang tipong, okay, lahat ng kailangan ko, nandito siya sa loob, wala ako kailangan. I try not to bring so much pa na items kasi parang masyado siyang bibigat na yung gamit mo and you don't want na marami kang iniisip, di ba? That's why, okay, I try to lessen. As I grow older, I try to lessen. Or I grow mature, I try to lessen. Kahit mahirap, guys, di ba? Try to lessen. Okay, now, next. Guys, by the way, yung mga pouches na ganyan, I wanna share rin, di ba? Yung mga ganito, if wala kang mga ganito, you can go with like this. You can find this on Lazada, yung mga nasa packing cubes na yan. And then lahat niyan, pwedeng ganito, mas mura, manipis. Basta ang goal mo lang naman, may konti kang organization, kaya mong hugutin right away yung items mo at alam mo kung saan siya hanapin. Because you want, di ba, pag security check, ganyan, mabilisan. Now, I'll go with backpacks na now that I've been using. Now, I've also got two kinds of backpack. I have the Air. This is the Air Travel Pack 3. This is the Air Travel Pack 3. So, ito, if I'm not mistaken, this is like 24 liters. 24 liters ba to? Ito yung pinakamalaki ko. Ito yung dinala ko rin sa New York kong travel. And then, I also recently just got the Air City Pack 2. If I'm not mistaken, it's called the Air City Pack 2. Guys, I might be butchering the names, pero ito yung other Air ko na backpack as well. So, ano ba difference? Jax, bakit dalawa backpack mo? Okay. Now, this one is for travel kasi ang dami niyang pwede i-store. Ito, more for, let's say, baka mabilisan trip ko lang. And importante why I just have backpacks, guys, it's because I bring a laptop. If I don't want a stroller and I want na madali pa rin ako makapagalaw-galaw, I need a backpack talaga. So for example, may recent Japan trip, dahil may layover ako, I brought this. Nung nasa Bangkok ako, may layover rin ako, I brought this. Now, if I'm going to, let's say, quicker trips na parang 5 days lang, in my recent trip, ito naman yung Bitbit ko. Like Hong Kong, di ba? I went to Hong Kong for visa, ito yung Bitbit ko. Kasi, okay, I just need my laptop and maybe a jacket inside. So, okay. Now, why do I love Air? I'll just share with you guys bakit ito yung na-choose ko. And ang tagal ko rin siyang inaral at parang nagbasa ako ng sobrang daming reviews, ganyan, nood ako ng nood for so long para lang makahanap ng mga ganitong backpack. It's because, guys, I do love personally the organization that they have here. I'll just open it right now. So, ito po yung itsura ng organization ni Air. Front pocket mo, di ba, your first pocket here, you'll see it here, where you can have pang passport mo, maraming mga side pockets, ball pens, to put also your other items here. Sa baba niya rin, ang daming pwedeng mga power bank mo, mouse mo dito, and then meron pa siyang isang sobrang deep na pouch dito inside. For example, kailangan ko lagyan ng other items. Ang deep niyan, kasya yung iPad mo, kasya rin dyan yung Kindle mo as well. Now, the difference of those two backpacks that I wanna share, guys, ito kasi si travel pack, di ba? Clamshell siya. So basically, parang siyang clam, di ba? Parang kabibe. Pag buksan mo yung gamit mo, okay, kaya mo makita pag ganito. And here, guys, di ba? May extra pocket pa siya dito. For example, gusto mo toiletries mo, what other items, and meron siyang secret pouch here as well to put, let's say, documents mo. Okay, so here, di ba, ito yung difference niya. Kung clamshell gusto mo, pwede mag-packing cubes ka, damit mo nandito nakalagay. So for example, my day layover ako, meron talaga akong damit. For example, meron ako personally packing cube na may damit dito sa loob, then pinapatong ko siya dito sa loob para at least alam ko maayos yung pagkalagay ng mga gamit ko. Meron akong extra damit para magpalit. Okay, now, sasabihin ko yung saan yung secret pocket niyan, guys. Nandito po siya. Nandito yung secret pocket niya for the AirTags. So, see, I have an AirTag here. So, I know where my backpack is. Ayan siya, dito siya, under this pouch. And then dito sa taas, guys, ito yung pang shades mo. Dito mo lalagay yung shades mo. And then, sa likod niya, you have your big laptop sleeve here. And then, guys, padded siya sobra. So, for example, they call it a false bottom. So here, yung laptop mo, nag-e-end siya dito. Parang here lang siya. Parang dito. So kung bumagsak to pa ganito, hindi yung laptop mo yung tumatama. Di ba? Meron siyang false bottom na antigas rin ito. Now, do note guys, this is not light. Mabigat po to. Heavy duty rin siya. So I'm telling you, if you want a light backpack, this is not for you. Kasi waterproof siya, water resistant siya, pwede siya mabaksak-baksak ng ganon. Sobrang heavy duty niya. As in talagang, when I was going to South America, eto lang talaga bit-bit ko everywhere. And yes, kasya naman po siya sa overhead. Pero sa under the seat, medyo masikip, kakasya pero medyo masikip. So perfect siya for overhead compartment. So yun yung isa kong backpack. That's the Travel Pack 3. Now, the smaller one naman, yung kapatid niyang mas maliit, syempre, you still have the big pocket here, kasya yung headphones mo. What I put here is all face masks, guys, kasi I still wear face mask kasi minsan talaga hindi mo masasabi kung ayaw mo magkasakit, and medyo nasanay rin ako nung back then na sobrang ingat ako for my parents as well, so that's why. The same, you have your own organization here for ball pen, for your let's say cards. Ako, if ever guys, I also do have, kung hindi AirTag yung bilhin mo, this is the new Ugreen one. Meron siya for Android. So if ever Android, ito yon. And then kung meron ka rin naman for iOS, ito naman yung itsura niya. So very important na ito guys, mas mura rin to. Nasa 600 lang ata to compared to let's say the real AirTags, diba? So I just put it also in my bag here. Alam ko meron niyang port somewhere. Hindi ko lang siya linagay ng tama. It should be somewhere here. Okay, and then, guys, iba yung pocket, and then I have my sprays. Yung nagtanong sa akin, ano daw yung binibili kong hand sanitizer? Ito po siya, it's by For Keeps, Philippine brand po siya. For Keeps, ayan siya. And then, hand sanitizer siya. And then guys, malalim rin yung pockets here. So I usually bring a lot when I travel, kaskas and body stickers rin. The reason there is paminsan if I meet some buddies out there, baka humingi ng stickers sa akin. So sabi ko, yes, I have as well. And by the way guys, I've been loving this perfume. Sobrang mura kasi niya. Episode First Date, it smells like your santal. Alam ko sabihin nyo, ayan ba yan? It smells like it. It's not naman saying na it's fake, diba? It's just inspired. So I'm okay with it kasi 399 siya eh. Namamahalan ako doon sa Lelabo kasi personally. So, yun lang gusto ko sabihin. And then, here, you still have your shades rin dito. So, eto po yung shades na to. So, guys, eto yung shades na napalulunan natin when we went to Creatorverse in Osaka. So, I'm loving this one talaga. This is the Ray-Ban na Meta Shades. And then, syempre ito, ang pag-open nito, guys, ganito lang. Parang may 1/3 ipit dito. But, not bad yung parang baba niya. Kasya pa rin isang jacket, dalawang jacket, tapos kasya rin yung mga pouches ko here as well. If I'm going to share it with you. Diba, kasya ba? Yes, kasya. Toiletry kit. And then my backpack is up here pa. Yung parang personal pouch ko. Kasya siya. And guys, yes, meron siyang laptop sleeve rin sa likod. So yes, when you zip it up. Syempre, guys, this is lighter compared to the other one. Diba? This is lighter compared to the other one. And then lahat siya on the sides may pang tubig rin. So kinukuha ko yung tubig kasi diba lahat naman sila namimigay tubig sa plane. So kinukuha ko yan. So yes. And then what I love, you can hold it here. I can hold it like this. So marami siyang mga ports as well. So this is still the Air backpack. And yes, kung nakita nyo, bawat bag ko naglalagay pa rin ako ng lock. Just in case kailangan ko siya i-lock, go, pwede ko siya i-lock. And then, ganito yung backpack ko. O, diba? So this one's lighter compared to the other one, smaller in terms of size rin as well. But again, it depends on you kung saan mo siya gagamitin. And of course, inside usually I will have one of my personal jacket. Kasi in case malamig yung plane, guys, you can have a jacket. Usually full service will give you a blanket, pero what if you're riding budget? They won't give you a blanket, so you have your own jacket as well. O, diba? Last thing, ay meron ako nabiling backpack rin. This one, I'm pretty sure it's not, I think it's an inspired one. Pero kasi nakita ko na medyo mura rin siya. So, medyo sadness siya. Pero kasi a lot of the mga shops, diba, hindi mo alam kung talagang legitimate yung mga items nila. Pero ito yung nabili kong backpack na to. I still use it kasi sayang rin naman siya. Yun nga lang, parang the quality is not really as qualitying. It's not qualitying. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin. Pero ginagamit ko pa rin naman siya kasi sabi ko sayang nabili na diba? So, last thing that I want to share with you also, guys, is more of like power banks because a lot of you might be asking power banks sa akin, and I do have a lot of power banks because I am so afraid of losing battery whenever you travel. So, I have 3 different power banks, and to be honest, I still go with Anker kasi Anker talaga tried and tested. Maganda talaga siya, matibay siya, mabilis siya mag-charge. So, sabi ko, okay, ito talaga siya. So, I have 3 kinds of power banks here. So I have one which is the MagSafe one. Diba? Ito, this is, if I'm not mistaken, this is 10,000 milliampere. So usually pag iPhone mo 1.5 charge, parang ito yon, MagSafe lang siya. Diba? Or pwede ka rin mag-cable. Pero usually MagSafe siya. In terms of portability, one of the best. Kasi guys, nipis, diba? And lightweight. The next that I've bought after nun was this one, the 12,000 na Prime. If I'm not mistaken, this is called the Prime, Anker Prime. Tama, 12,000 siya. This one, almost the same naman siya, diba? Not that much big of a difference. Pero this one, wala siyang built-in cable. You definitely have to have your own cable as well to be able to charge the item. But this one, roughly, pwede ka mag-charge ng 2.5 times, diba? For your iPhone, diba? 2.5 times. Sabihin natin 2. And then, the last thing, the latest ko na binili, syempre, alam nyo naman to, this is my favorite pa rin talaga, which is 25,000 milliampere one. Kasi nga, may retractable cable ka sa taas, meron ka pa isang cable dito sa gilid, and this one can power up your laptop. Now, if you're the type na, okay, lalabas ka, mag-power up ka ng laptop, these two cannot do it, this can. Because ang power output niya is 165 watts compared to these two na medyo mas maliit yung wattage mo. Now, syempre, this one pwede pa rin siya sa plane because nga, this is only 25,000 milliampere siya. So, 90 watt-hour lang kasi to. So, kung titingnan nyo, 90 watt-hour, pwedeng pasok pa rin siya doon sa 100 watt-hour below na mga requirements ng mga airplanes, diba? Kung nakita mo yung 165 watts is not the same as watt-hour. So, yun yung one thing. Pag sinasabi nila na watt-hour, iba po ang watt-hour sa watts, diba? And then, so yun guys, continuing, diba? And this one, may CCC na siya. These two kasi is older, walang CCC. So, if you're going to China, definitely, ito yung importante mong tingnan din. Baka kasi sabihin nyo, hala, hindi kumana yung mga power banks, diba? So, yeah. And guys, one thing before I forget, sa wallet ko pala, I have this na, I rarely share it na i-realize na, oh, ang ganda nito. This is still a Ugreen one. Card siya, pero guys, may Find My siya. So, depending on your phone, for example, iPhone yung hawak ko right now. So, nandito siya, and you'll see here, ayan, may wallet siya dito. So, itatry ko siya, ipa-play ng sound. Diba? Para alam mo na dyan yung wallet mo. So, pag nakalimutan mo, mag-notify sa phone mo, it's not with you. So, yon, one thing that I need to put. And then yung gamot, guys, by the way, I usually recommend yung Unilab na gamot para at least yun yung, nandiyan na, the all-in-one set na mga gamot kailangan mo dalhin whenever you're traveling. Yun siya. So guys, yun yung mga gusto ko i-share. Medyo I think ang dami ko na-share na to. So it really depends on my travel before I wanna close it. Maraming salamat sa supportan nyo because you've enjoyed those video. Baka one of the next travel ko should be the check-in one. Pero for now, yun yung gusto ko i-share sa inyo. Pag nagla-laptop ako, guys, I would usually go with ganito, backpacks. Pero for the rest naman, definitely totes lang. Paminsan nga, what I do is the tote is inside my check-in. Para pagdating ko doon, yun na ginagamit ko, this is only just for transit. So, papunta doon sa bansa na yan mismo. And everything else, di ba, iniiwan ko na siya doon. So, yun siya. I hope you found this video helpful. And of course, guys, comment down below kung saan kayo nanonood. Gusto ko malaman talaga. And ano yung parang other tips or tricks na ginagawa nyo whenever you travel? Or what else do you bring? Or baka may iba ba akong nakalimutan? Guys, message me, definitely. I would definitely love to converse with you. Syempre, hindi ko na sinama pala sa video na to yung mga cellphones ko at saka yung mga camera ko. Definitely yung cellphone ko and camera ko nasa loob pa rin ng mga nambag ko yan, di ba? Imposibleng mawala yan. So, yun ang gusto ko i-share sa inyo. Let me know, guys, what else gusto nyo malaman. I'm so happy sharing and doing these kind of videos. I'll do it from time to time para at least, di ba, helpful pa rin siya. And abangan nyo, guys, new video that will come out soon kasi it will be maleta related. Kasi alam nyo naman, di ba, parang may era na tinatawag nyo ako Queen of Maleta. Guys, meron akong gagawin na video na maganda mo. Abangan nyo yan. Iniintay ko lang siya. Medyo ano yan medyo mahirap siyang gawin, guys, because ang daming kailangan i-test. And pag nagte-test ako, gusto ko kasi, guys, pag nagte-test ako, talagang test. Yung hahambalusin ko yan, talagang idadala natin siya dapat sa airport para makita talaga natin kung talagang matibay siya. Kung nasira siya, meaning, And what I want to do here kasi is, syempre, whenever I give you recommendations, gusto ko, guys, talagang totoo, yung na-try talaga ni Jax. Kaya, di ba, lagi ko sinasabi, I always talk about the Lapland. Kasi nga, guys, yun talaga tried and tested ko. Confident ako na hindi ako mapapahiya. Kasi, guys, hindi pwede yung parang sabihin ko sa inyo, maganda, tapos afterwards, my gosh, nasira, di ba? Nakakaloka. We don't want that. Ayaw natin yung mga ganyan. Parang, sorry. It's not something that I would do. It's not something that I like to do also. Anyways, yun lang, guys. Maraming salamat. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I will see you on the next vlog ko. Bye, guys!